Hi, Wesley, the Gizmo Guy here. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth, how to install Bluetooth to a car radio that does not have Bluetooth. Today I will be showing you how you can add Bluetooth to this Mercedes Benz SL class R230 from 2001 to 2011. This beautiful convertible comes with a very nice original Mercedes sound system with the navigation, but it does not have Bluetooth. So we're going to install Bluetooth to this factory radio without modification. First, check this.
This is a short video of Gizmo Guy Gadget that's installed in my 2005 Mercedes Benz SL600. Quick view of the install, which is a hidden install, and is basically a permanent install. Once this unit is installed and powered, all you have to do is bring your iPhone into the vehicle and it starts playing instantly. Instantly, if I can get it. Go, come on. One thing you need to know is that when you bring your recording device in, make sure that the Bluetooth is connected, or that the phone itself is putting out a Bluetooth signal. Other than that, this is plug and play. It's I've used this all over the LA basin, Los Angeles basin. No static, no drop-offs. I've tried all prior to getting this. I've tried just about every single one of the FM transmitters available, $20 up to around $50. And they worked great when you were sitting in the vehicle in one place, but as soon as you started moving around, it would start picking up other signals. It would drop off, get real staticky. As you can hear, this is clear. Volume, I can't even put the volume on full volume. I also use an iPad with this, so hopefully I'll be able to show you the iPad shortly.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I just would like to do a quick review for the Gizmo Guy transmitter that I got recently. That's the professional edition, I think they called it, or something like that. It's can be used, or it's need to be used with any car that it doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth. So simply the phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then it's transmitting on a specific radio channel, and that you can choose, and then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car. What I did just extra, I didn't connect it to the lighter here just to get better results. I connected to a battery bank here, as you can see. That's the battery bank here, and that's the USB power for it, and it's just sound perfect, exactly like Bluetooth. So here's my phone. I will hit play here, and that's the music. Exactly, yeah. And here is, you can next previous song, bass, mode, and you can also adjust the volume. It's actually perfect device, worth every penny I spend on it. And the gentleman who sell this, he's a very honest guy. I dealt with him twice, and he helped me a lot to choose the right product, because the Mercedes Benz has a special kind of optic cables between the stereo and the speakers. Yeah, so he helped me to choose the right product. So I would recommend it strongly. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is a simple gadget that allows you to add streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigation from your smartphone right through your older car stereo system. You do not need to replace the head units. You do not need to take it out or take it apart by adding anything to it. All you got to do is plug in the Gizmo Guy Gadget into your car and set your radio, and then you're ready to go. The Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is designed specifically for this reason. You can plug in my Gizmo Guy Gadget to your iPhone, and you'll be able to listen to all your music from your iPhone right through your Mercedes factory radio system without static, and you'll sound just like CD. It doesn't matter if you have navigational system or not, or simply just the Bose system. I have a newer Mercedes that has a cradle for Bluetooth connections. There's no reason for you to get this. This thing costs about $400 even now. From eBay, it's about $100, $200. And it's completely outdated. It's using the outdated Bluetooth technology. Gizmo Guy Gadget will provide you with the latest Bluetooth technology, so you can stream all your music from your phone right through your original Mercedes sound system without any sort of modification. You can keep everything exactly the way it is and add Bluetooth music to this system right here. You will get to keep all your controls. Everything will be exactly the same. All your remote controls for your accessories will remain intact. There's no need to sacrifice any convenience features that you already paid for. All you gotta do, just use the Gizmo Guy Gadget, and you will get to keep everything, all your options. You get to keep the beautiful interior design of the Mercedes Benz, the little thoughtful things that come with the Mercedes Benz, and only with the Mercedes Benz. Just look at this beautiful design and thoughtful little things that come with only Mercedes Benz. It would be a shame to replace or disable any of these features. And you're ready to enjoy all your smartphone features through your older car factory radio without Bluetooth. You can add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Simply use the Gizmo Guy Gadget, plug it in, and you'll add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio. Thank you for watching my video. For more information about the product, please go to my website at gizmoguygadgets.com. gizmoguygadgets.com. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.